In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collect emails with Framer. Start by opening your Framer project and jumping into the site you want to edit. If you see a link to your live preview, click it to confirm where your newsletter signup will appear, then head back to the canvas so we can add the capture section. Next, open the Insert panel in Framer. This is where all components and sections live. With the panel open, use the search bar and type Highlight. You'll see results grouped by category. Switch to the Elements tab to narrow it down to core building blocks, then select the highlight element from the results. This is a flexible section that works well for attention-grabbing announcements and email capture. Drop the highlight section onto your page where you want the sign-up to live, often near the top of the home page or just above the footer. Once it's on the canvas, click directly on the headline and replace the placeholder text with a clear value proposition. Keep it short and benefit-led, like, "Get design tips in your inbox." Click the supporting text next and refine it to explain what subscribers will receive and how often. Clarity builds trust and improves conversion. Now, click the email input field within the section. Update the placeholder so it's explicit, such as "Enter your email." Then click the button and change the label to something action-oriented like "Subscribe" or "Get updates." Make sure the button and input are visually balanced, consistent padding, readable contrast, and enough spacing so it feels easy to interact with. Many Framer components ship with built-in states. In the right-hand panel, look for visibility controls to quickly toggle what's shown. Use Show to preview the default state and Hide to flip between content areas or reveal a success message after submission. Edit that success message to confirm the subscription and set expectations. Something like, "Thanks, please check your inbox." Toggling between these states helps you design the full experience without writing extra code. Before you publish, scan the section hierarchy by clicking each part of the highlight block again to ensure every bit of text, input, and button reflects your brand voice. Keep accessibility in mind. Readable font sizes, clear labels, and strong color contrast will help more visitors complete the form. When everything looks great, click Publish in the top right corner. Framer will push your changes live so visitors can start subscribing immediately. That's it. Your email capture is live, clear, and ready to grow your list.